Ajio haul. And guess what? Today I have some really cool dresses for you all. I have formal, informal, skater, casual, etc, etc, etc. Although the number of dresses are not so many over here, but yes, I am going to guide you because the dresses that I've bought for you today, they definitely can fit anybody in the group or anybody in the crowd. I have one dress for every type of a person, be it an office going person or a college girl or just a casual mom or whatever. It's just I am going to give you some styling tips which I think will definitely change your perspective about certain dresses. So without much further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first one over here is this really cool summer dress. This is a cotton fabric, light beige color के ऊपर floral print है and बहुत ही basic, बहुत ही simple dress है ये, but it is flowy in the sense it's pretty easy breezy. इसमें आपको गर्मी नहीं लगेगी, extremely comfortable. थोड़ी सी detailing है इसकी sleeves पे. You have these ruffle sleeves and this little detailing over here. At the back of it, you have this button and a hoop, and yes, it has a plain circular neck. और बहुत ही basic dress है, but ये इतनी smart लगती है. You can pair it with some sneakers or some kolhapuris and a nice bun on the top, or perhaps you can just have a nice loose ponytail or some fishtail braid and some nice flip-flops. It will look absolutely amazing. You can wear it at home for lounging around or for taking a Zoom meeting, or perhaps if you're stepping out for something urgent. This is a perfect fit, especially in these summers. So yes, definitely recommend this one. Also, this is by the brand Fig. I would say कि पहले मैंने एक बार Fig की एक ड्रेस मंगवाई थी, which I did not give a very good review about it in my previous to I think कुछ hauls पहले. But this one, the quality is good, the fabric is good, it is not at all that transparent. थोड़ा सा ट्रांसपेरेंट है बट इतना बॉदरिंग वाला ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है. इफ यू फील दैट आपको थोड़ी सी इससे प्रॉब्लम होती है तो यू कैन ट्राई वेयरिंग न्यूड कलर और स्किन केयर लॉन्ड्री अंडरनीथ. अदरवाइज आई डोंट थिंक इट्स दैट मच ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम. इसमें और भी कलर्स अवेलेबल थे. यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो एंड चेक देम आउट. आई हैव लिंक्ड देम इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. Also, why are you guys not subscribing? I mean, according to my analytics, around 90% of the viewers have not subscribed to my channel. Why yaar, kar do. It's not going to cost you anything, but definitely going to be a great motivation for me. So please subscribe to my channel right now. Okay, so moving ahead, this is a very pretty next dress. This is a nice mint ocean green color. I would say mint color, थोड़ा सा ocean green mix है इसमें. And this is not cotton fabric, I must tell you. ये थोड़ा सा synthetic fabric है जो what do you say, poly crepe type synthetic होता है, वो fabric है. But this dress is absolutely, it's amazing. It has these nice straps. बहुत ज़्यादा bothering straps नहीं है because it's just like your normal inner की strap जितना है. तो you can definitely wear a matching strap, or you can go for transparent straps, or perhaps a strapless undergarments under this. And you have these nice floral print going all over. You have this elastic that cinches you around the waist, and this tie which also gives you all the more fitting and cinched look. Yes, I mean you have this V-neck. ये भी बहुत decent है. If you pair it properly, ये काफी अच्छी लगेगी for college wear girls, or if you are just stepping out or you're going for a vacation. Although vacation का time अभी नहीं है. I know that the condition is pretty bad, but just in case you want to buy something, you want to store for the time you'll be on a vacation, this is a good one for beaches. Also, I would say that this is not a dress which you can wear in a very hot sunny day. You can definitely wear this when the weather is pleasant or a little, not that sticky and humid. You can definitely wear this one. ये बहुत अच्छे से आपकी body को, I wouldn't say it hugs you on the correct places, no, but yes, it gives your body a pretty nice shape. ये knee length से, I mean ankle length से थोड़ा सा for फॉर माई हाइट, एंकल लेंथ से थोड़ा सा ऊपर आएगी एंड नी लेंथ से काफी नीचे है, बट इट डज नॉट टच यू ऑन द ग्राउंड, touches on the ground. And yes, it's a pretty decent dress. Okay, now styling tip, you can wear it with open hair and absolutely nothing. Some stackable bracelets, nice tan shaped flip flops, or some flat slippers. I would prefer if you wear it tan in color. Also nice sling bag. And yes, I mean, this is a very easy breezy look. That's it. If you experiment with something else, you can definitely share a picture with me on Instagram or perhaps on YouTube. Whenever you can tag me in that picture. Please follow me on Instagram to get more updates. Okay, so the next one, this is also a really pretty dress. This is red in color. It's kind of a skater dress. And although अगर मैं ऐसे दिखाऊंगी आपको ये इतनी वाव नहीं लगेगी, but when you wear it, actually look great. It has this tiny print all over, this floral print. Red is the base है, and this is not pure cotton, but yes, rayon cotton type का material है जिसमें गर्मी नहीं लगेगी. ये बहुत easy breezy है. This is not at all transparent. You can be pretty comfortable in this, and it has some nice flowy sleeves. It's kind of a skater dress. यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ इलास्टिक नहीं है, इतना ज़्यादा मेजर इलास्टिक नहीं है, बट ओवरऑल इसका जो क्लॉथ है वो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेचेबल है, विच एक्चुअली मेक्स यू प्रीटी कंफर्टेबल एंड आपको अनईजी नहीं लगेगा. And yes, this is such a cool dress. You can wear it with some shoes or your normal sneakers, and white sneakers would look good. Light powder blue sneakers would look good. Even some nice tan colored sandals or perhaps black sandals would look beautiful. And इसके साथ you can also wear those tie-on sandals. Those will also look very pretty, with a nice bun or a plain ruffle or a nice plain hairband. That look really pretty. So yes, this is also a great option for college going girls, for people who are sitting at home and they're really tired of always wearing pajamas, और उनको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है. They want something easy breezy flowy. Definitely go for this option. Great option, great material, great quality. And the last one over here is the one that I'm wearing. So now this one is a really pretty satin dress. This is a great option for office going people or as a formal outfit. You can wear it for your parties or a nice dinner or even a nice date. So it has this V-neck over here with buttons and some collar, and you have some quarter sleeves with some buttons over here. You have a tie-on detail over here, and it's a nice button dress और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty लगता है. You can wear it with a nice pair of heels, some block heels or some wedges. If you can carry stilettos, perfect, you look great. And some very minimal jewelry and some very minimal makeup would look great. You can go a little heavy on the eyes, but not that chamak tamak. A little nude and a little muted tones wala heavy, and some muted lip shade. Yes, you're good to go. Some nice little highlighter and extremely light blush. You can just wear some studs or some really small hoops and some stackable bracelets or a watch to go. And yes, if you're ready to go, you look absolutely stunning and you'll rock the evening. So yes, so with that, I've come to an end to this video, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and obviously comment on my video. Also, if you have some suggestions or some other feedback that you would like to give me, or you want me to review something or anything else, if you want me to do a tutorial or there's anything you want me to, please drop in some video ideas. I want to go. My battery just died and I think I lost all the footage. So I was just saying that if you liked my video, please like, subscribe, and of course share it with your friends. And I would love to explore and I would love to know your suggestions. So what all new videos I should do. Definitely drop me a suggestion if you want makeup videos or travel इतना ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता. So excuse me on that. But some more hauls or some teaching videos or please share your feedback, and I would definitely like to explore and see what more I can do. Until then,